The next thing we have to do is drill a hole for our shore power to go through our outlet. So the next thing we have to do is drill a hole for our shore power to go through our outlet. This is it here, made by Noco. It's actually quite a clever little simple design. You pop this open and you can plug a single-ended cord into that end. It has a rubber gasket on it. Some people use silicone as well. I think I probably will. Really, it just takes drilling a 2-inch hole in the side of your van, which some people get really nervous about, like Marilyn. One of the challenges that we have with this is making sure everything fits. You can see that the factory subwoofer fits right in the same corner where we're going to be putting the shore power outlet. So we need to make sure that where the shore power outlet comes through the wall, it's not going to interfere. So where I have it mapped out is likely going to be right in this area here. It's just to the side of the subwoofer, but it's above this light. There's a nice open spot there for the cord to come down, and then from there we can run the cord off to where it needs to go to get to the inverter charger. So in the end, it should come through right about behind here, allowing the cord to come out around and out over here. What?
Just getting very nervous.
Well, what?
I don't know. Okay. Okay, so today was a generally successful day. We finished up the shore power was put in, and what else? Little odds and ends. I can't even remember, but it was a good day.
Oh, we finished sealing up the tailgate
Oh
up
yes,
above,
yeah.
and putting some sound deadening on that.
And now we're just kind of cleaning up and wrapping up today. I think next is going to be starting on the structure with 80/20, I believe. So until next time, we will see you later.
See you soon.